Okay, welcome back, Ocean View Decks. We have been talking about building a substructure that lasts as long, if not longer, than the deck material that you're going to put on top of it, which we think is more important or just as important as the deck material you buy. So later on in the series, we'll get into the different composites of Trek versus Timber Tech versus Fibercon versus true epi hardwoods. But the most important thing is that if you're looking at really redoing a deck or building a new deck, the substructure, we believe, is one of the most important things that you need to basically focus on in the very beginning. So we've walked you through a couple of steps. We've talked about a joist hanger, which is hanging this joist, which is basically screwed into a ledger board or a double joist. And then we've talked about where the wood is exposed, whether it's being drilled or whether it's being cut and put in. So anytime that we cut, we're painting the end of the wood. And then anytime that we're drilling into the wood with some type of fasteners, we're using joist tape. So here, as you can see, is that on these joists here, we have joist tapes that runs on both sides of the hangers. So when they're screwing in this way, it's actually screwing through the tape through the wood. And when they're screwing the fastener directly into the ledger board here, it's actually going through the joist tape and creating the seal also. And then what we've done is we've taken the joist tape and we've actually put it on top of the joist and the ledger board. So this particular substructure right here would be ready for decking boards. And so when we start to lay out our decking boards here, when we're actually screwing in or we're attaching the decking boards with, let's say, hidden fasteners, that's actually going through the joist tape. So now if we took this and we just actually poured water on top of it and created a rain type of scenario, as the water went through, it would be repelled away from anywhere that it could actually start to get inside the wood. And this particular wood, with the right pressure treated, the right joist tape, and again, the right hangers, we're talking stainless steel screws, stainless steel hangers, you can expect to get about a 40-year life out of this type of substructure. Again, Jerry with Ocean View Decks. Hit subscribe. Thank you.